Hello, welcome and namaste to my channel, and I'm back with a pick a card, pick a pile reading for this week. Before I start the video, if you want to book a personal reading with me, all the information is given in the description box below. You can email me, or you can join my Instagram and DM me, or you can also join my app. And I hope the reading resonates with you. Please remember that this is based on your current energies and it's a timeless reading. So whenever you find it, it should apply to you. And also it's just a weekly reading, and hopefully it will give you some insight on the opening of the Lions Gate portal as well, as to what is happening right now with you. And I hope the reading resonates with you. Enjoy, and thank you for watching this video. And today my video is about a general reading on the coming week, which and the rest of the remaining week, which is from today, which is Thursday, till the next Thursday. You can apply as that, or you can take it as a reading from next Monday to the next Sunday. Okay, so there are 3 piles as usual. Let me just put the camera in a way so that you can see better. Yeah, so there are 3 piles as usual. The first pile is this clip on. If you can see, it says 100% fresh milk. If you can see, it's a milk carton. It's a milk carton clip on. The second pile is actually quite personal. It is the 50th Jubilee anniversary of my school actually, and this holds special value. I'll come to that later. So if you have chosen this badge, you can choose this badge. This is the second pile. And the third pile is this celebratory, kind of like a balloon stuck with a whistle thing. This is pile number 3. Okay, so without further delay, I will go directly to the reading of pile number 1. So for pile number 1, who chose the milk carton, the white and pink milk carton, the lighting here is bad, so I'm really sorry about that. You have, let's see what's in the week ahead of you. This is a timeless reading, so irrespective of when you find it, it is going to supposed to be resonating. So yeah, so the 4 cards you have got is, the first one is from the Moonology Oracle decks, which is be bold and make the first move and balance spirituality and practicality. So for you, I feel that this pile may be the pile who is watching this video, maybe water sign like Pisces, Scorpio, or Cancer. And I feel that this pile right now is going through a sort of, I will not say that it's going through a sort of imbalance, but I would say rather that they are trying to balance out the kind of, spirituality as well as practicality. In a way, trying to give more time to spiritual development and rather than always getting involved with monetary tensions or financial tensions, or tensions which are kind of more grounded energy in the 3D energy. Or you are this pile must maybe also seeking for this kind of a balance as well, but there is one thing that is of concern, is the pile you have chosen is a milk carton. So immediately the energy that I felt was this energy of a healthy diet, a healthy lifestyle. So here I'm also getting nature, which is from the Atlantis cards, and if you can see this card, nature. So I feel that you have to go natural. Maybe some of you should have been advised to go on an organic diet or a vegetarian diet, or cut out lactose from your like meals, like quite possibly so, or else maybe you will need to cut out on this lactose things made of dairy products, or you need to spend more time in nature, maybe relax, maybe tone down just a little bit, take a break from your work and be bold and make the first move. So maybe you are in a stressful work situation, which requires you to work so hard that you probably are losing your balance between your health, your spiritual, mental well-being, and your the concerns of the 3D, like earning or like overload of work. But your spirits are guiding you to balance this work and pleasure, or work and relaxation thing, because your soul satisfaction should be rejoicing. This again from the unicorn deck card. Your soul satisfaction should be in rejoicing. So this pile, the spirit guides are actually urging you to probably take a break, balance out your life. If there is too much heavy concern of monetary engagements or earning, things like that, then you should just stop stressing so much about it. Leave it to the divine, leave it to whoever you believe in. You can pray obviously, but spend more time in nature, or have natural food products. Don't have too much of processed food, or maybe cut out on your dairy, or maybe include dairy as well. This can also be like you are going through a nutritional kind of, what to say, like you're not getting proper nutrition, so you should be including dairy, whatever your condition is. So in this week you will see some changes in your dietary habits, maybe some lifestyle changes, or maybe you will suddenly make a very bold decision to approach to somebody who is in a high place of work, who will to maybe seek for a holiday or something, or maybe you will spend some time with your partner. You will definitely search for something that satisfies your soul, and it definitely is searching for you if you make the move. If you make the move, then this coming week is going to give you lot of soul satisfaction, but some action is required from your side. So that is the general energy that I get for this particular week for you, pile number 1. Thank you so much. Hello and welcome, pile number 2. If you have chosen this badge, this 50th Jubilee batch of my school, South Point, where I used to study throughout till my 12th, and it's a very memorable, very personal batch to me. And a few things I must say, instant energies that I get from this pile is number 5 and number 0. The 0 number is of infinite value, and number 5 is the number of change. So maybe, and there is a bird as well on if you can see, there is a bird here flying, and the symbol of our, like my spirits are telling me to tell you that courage to know used to be the kind of South Point, it had that thing, that courage to know was associated with the school anthem, whatever you say it. Yeah, so school logo, yeah. So maybe your spirits are asking you to go on a quest for knowledge right now. Maybe in this week you're going to go on a quest for knowledge, or maybe you are celebrating something like a golden jubilee year, 50th year of something, maybe an organization, or maybe an anniversary, or maybe a birthday. Some of you may be 50 years old. Some of you may be wondering what about the number 50, something significance of the number 5, or the number 0, or the number 50. Now let's see your cards. Yes. So from the Moonology Oracle deck, the card that you've got is communication is key, and Gemini is the sign. So the people who have chosen this pile might be from air signs like Gemini, Aquarius and Libra. So I see that justice, the word justice is coming a lot to my head. I don't know why. I feel like maybe some of you who have chosen the pile are going through something where you felt that or you are feeling currently that you are going through a lot of injustice in that particular situation, but you are being told that no, it is not injustice, rather you're going to definitely get the justice out of this particular situation. And also, maybe if there is a legal situation going on, maybe that hearing or case hearing might come to your favor. And flight is your card from the unicorn deck. So like, flight, the card, if you can see flight, it is written, let your creative imagination fly. And also clairvoyance is there. So what I see is probably there is a change in awareness this week that is going to come towards you, pile number 2. It will be like a very, very spiritual kind of change. Maybe you will go through some incident or something might happen with you, which will really engage you or kind of make a curiosity arise within you regarding spirituality. And or maybe like a particular situation you were worrying about might be you might be getting justice for the, or you're opening, you're getting an awakening, you're taking flight, you're going away from boundaries which you had set for yourself before, boundaries which were restricting you. So this coming week you will be kind of letting go of some boundaries, letting go of certain things which were restraining you from doing certain actions you were probably chasing, or you wanted to do those actions. So this week is going to be like that kind of a week where you are going to be able to take flight, break free from shackles, and go towards what you desire, towards your passion. And clairvoyance, so this is the card which you've got from the Atlantis deck. So now honestly, this card is about intuition. So if you have an intuition or inkling about something turning out in a certain way, don't be shocked if it does, because your intuition level at this point of time is quite high. Maybe things which you have told to other people are suddenly coming true. So this week may also give you the intuition might come to you this week, and you might be able to kind of guess what will happen next automatically, and maybe a little voice will tell you what to choose when two choices are. So just remember, this is normal. That is, your awareness is being heightened because the entire vibration of the globe is changing. So your awareness is being heightened. It's like, see this card, like there are two, like one girl has the eyes closed and one has them open. So it was like you were sleeping and you're waking up from a kind of slumber, and immediately you're taking flight. So you have these hopes and aspirations, and you are all you're going towards those. And also, since memories are a big part of the pile number 2 badge that you have chosen, so I feel like a lot of people of you might also be feeling nostalgic about things that you are leaving behind or have left behind recently. But know that it's all for your good, and it's in your highest well-being that things are happening. So trust your intuition, trust your gut, and this week whatever opportunity is coming, definitely it will bring you justice, or it will be favorable to you. That is what the messages that I'm getting from your spirit guides. Thank you. Namaste and welcome, pile number 3. If you have chosen this celebratory red kind of whistle and balloon thing, it is a decoration as well. And I think so basically the first thing that I am getting from this pile, the first messages that I'm getting is there's an end of a tough cycle, end of a struggle, kind of getting into the energies of celebration, getting into the energies of, yes, now it is time to celebrate, the hard work has been done, coming out of the blues to the golden and the red, the passion and the celebration, going into a higher vibration. Let's see what your cards are saying. Wow, see how this resonates, my God. It's like, see, the end of a tough cycle. As I was saying, the end of a tough cycle is approaching. The pile, maybe Capricorn, the earth signs might, the people who have chosen this pile might be earth signs like Capricorn, Virgo, and I'm forgetting the other one, Taurus. Yeah. So yeah. So Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, it may not be as well because it's a general reading. But either way, a full celebration mode, telepathy, I'm seeing that, lot of communication happening between you and other people, almost like telepathic in nature. You're getting joy and divine sight as well. So like definitely you are having a lot of intuition, like just like pile number 2, actually you are you are intuitive and you are seeing the better side. You are actually choosing the way to choose to see the positive in the people, in the situation that you are currently facing. So I see that not only does so that's why struggles are ending for you very fast, because from a lack energy you're going into a gratitude energy. And the gratitude energy always brings forth more abundance, more luck, more love, everything. So it is like almost as if you're being blessed. You're being blessed for the way you look at things, your perception. So this week might bring you a lot of rewards for this approach you have towards life, this gratitude approach, this approach. Maybe if you had some financial problems or some kind of a monetary issue, or some money of yours or transaction was kind of held back for some reason, then you will get back that money this week. There is a very big chance. And also there's a chance of some kind of a celebration, just or like communication means like socializing probably with people. Maybe you will throw a party, or maybe you will have a get together at your place, or go to somebody else's place for some kind of a celebration. And yeah, so I am seeing that your positive approach towards situations, you are always in a state of this, like your mind is always celebrating the moment, which makes your problems go away. Like right now, that is the energy that I am feeling. And this week as well, maybe you are going to be blessed, just like this unicorn is blessing the people inside the cell. You are going to be probably blessed with some reward for this attitude that you have got, or maybe a celebration, maybe like a gift from somebody. Somebody might give you a gift, or you might give a gift to somebody. And the general energy that I see in this particular pile is that of joy, of happiness, of much awaited joy for certain people as well, like who have worked very hard, who have seen the good in others, but were not getting their due in return, will get their due in return this week. And you're gonna be happy, and you're gonna celebrate, and you're gonna be in a very joyous mood, is what I feel for this pile. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And once again, if you would want personal readings from me, then please book. I have given all the details on in the description box below. You can email me, and you can leave a comment, or follow my Instagram page and DM me directly, or join my app as well. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for joining me for this weekly reading session. Thank you.